You will need 1.5 cups of low-fat cream, powdered sugar as you prefer, chilled milk 1/4 cup, dark choco chips 1/4 cup, 50 grams of melted chocolate or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and few drops of vanilla if you wish. So let us start making it. Here I have some ice cubes and some water in a big bowl. I'm going to place my another bowl in which I'm going to whip my cream. This bowl has been kept in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now we basically want to whip the cream. If you want to use some normal whipping cream you can use, but I am using this low fat cream today. Here I have my beaters. As this is low fat cream, we need chilled beaters and some ice bath as I mentioned before. Now I'm going to whip this until it reaches soft peaks at least. So our cream has thickened up. Now I'm going to add in my powdered sugar. You can add powdered sugar as per your preference. I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup or so. Now whip this well till semi-stiff peaks. So our cream is whipped. Now let's prepare our ice cream. If you are using cocoa powder, you can add your cocoa powder to the cream. I am doing with melted chocolate today. Now with melted chocolate there are two ways. One, you can add the chocolate to the cream, which will make some flakes, which will also taste really good. But the second one is like a mousse. I'm going to add my little bit of cream to this and mix this really well. So this is what we do in mousse, chocolate mousse. So this part is really well mixed. Now I'm going to incorporate this to our cream. Don't mix it, just fold it like this. So let's add our choco chips right now only. If you wish to add some vanilla you can add, so I'm going to add just a few drops. And milk, if you wish to add milk you can add, but as we are making with low fat cream I'm adding very little amount of milk to it. Milk is the moisture in this ice cream. We want little bit of moisture in the ice cream just because our ice cream is stabilized and it's palatable while we serve this. So our mixture is pretty well mixed, just a few more folds and then we are going to freeze this. So our mixture is pretty well mixed. If you are making the ice cream with the normal whipping cream you can add up to 1.5 cups of milk, that is 1:1 ratio. But as this is low fat cream we are adding very less moisture in this. So now we are going to freeze the ice cream. So you can just cover this with a cling wrap or pop this in the freezer like so, but I'm going to cover this with a plate so that it's stackable in the freezer. What you can also do is take out the ice cream after 2 to 3 hours and then mix it really well, but that is totally optional as this is a foolproof recipe. I'm going to just pop this in the freezer and I'll be back to show you how does this look like tomorrow. Our ice cream is ready to be scooped. Our choco chip ice cream is ready.